Okay, so in this lesson, I want to take the dice tool and enhance it a little bit by adding a curve text onto this so that we can calculate the total. So that way, if we have a whole bunch of dice, we can easily get the total of the dice that it's being rolled. So let's look at the code. Okay, so when we push the button, get the information, here we can add a variable total, and we'll equal it to 0. Um, let's see. So here we are getting the path, that's fine. Then we clear the scene and import the dice. We're not returning anything yet. Duplicate and transform. Here we are getting the random roll is equal to the total, or whatever is being rolled, and we can actually take that information and add it to the total. So here we can say, actually we can do it right after that if we want. Total equals total plus rand roll. And then what we can do is not in the loop, but right after the loop, we can just to test it out right now. Let's say we print uh, your total is what? There we go. And then let's add, and we have to put it inside of the string function, the total, because you can only print strings. So we're converting this numerical value into string value, and then it should work. So let's copy this and paste it in here and run it. Your total is 5. That's great. Total is 1, but this is rotated 3. That might be a rotation issue. Yeah, it looks like my rotations aren't right for that, so let's check this. 0, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 1. This worked correctly, I just have the rotations wrong on my dice. I can fix that later if I want to. Um, so let's take that and put it into a curve so that we can see the total being printed out. So I believe the command is curve text. Oops. I just want to double check what the command is. Text curve. Text curves. Okay, so we'll use that in our code. So here we're going to do mc.text curves, and then the text is going to be equal to the string, just like we have up here actually. So let's copy this here and we'll paste it there, and then we'll put a comma over here, comma, and then we'll give this a name, and that is going to be equal to, let's call it total. Okay, so let's copy this here and paste it, run it, and let's do the coin. So it did do it. It's kind of small, but it is there. We'll make it bigger. And we want to move it up. Let's say we'll do 30 units once we make it bigger, I guess. Something to keep in mind is that with the text curve, even though I named it total, the actual name's going to end up being total shape. So let's do the set atters. And then it is going to be total shape, or it's not dot shape, but total shape dot scale x, and let's make that 10. And we'll see how that looks. X, Y, and Z. And then let's move it up in the Y as well. So translate Y. There we go. And we said we were going to do something like 30. So let's run this again. And we'll do coin, since we know that's working. Your total is 0. Your total is 1. So let's check it with more. Let's do 3, so that's easy to calculate. Total is 1, 2, 2, 0. So looks like it's working properly, and if we were to have a large number of them, instead of having to go individually and calculate all that out, we can look at the total, and that's actually really cool. It averaged out there exactly to 50. Should be pretty close to 50 each time. Cool. So that's how we do the text curve for creating the total. And we'll continue on in the next lesson.